Okay, so here I'm going to show you the basic functionality of this website. So whenever it opens it, it actually opens to this page. Just I'm show you, I can refresh it.
I know, but I'm like really scared that they like.
Oh, so yeah, when it opens to the documents page, and then that button doesn't do anything yet. Messages, you can add a message. So like trying things, the text, and then I send. And it pastes my name into it because of how I coded it, and then it has just the message, the subject. And then if you notice, it automatically clears. You can also try that out, and then if you hit clear, it clears it out. Contacts, we can hit add new contact, doesn't do anything, but if on Brother Jackson, it shows his information, Brother Brzee shows his information. Click back and forth, click on it multiple times, and it'll stay on the same thing. Delete and edit don't do anything yet. And then neither does this drop down or that. And that's pretty much my website where it's at to date. Thanks, Brother Thane.